What if your daily work, your job, your studies, your cooking, your parenting could become worship? Too often we separate the sacred from the everyday, but Leviticus 2 tells a different story. The grain offering is the theme of chapter 2. In Hebrew, it's minchah. It wasn't an animal sacrifice. It was flour, oil, and frankincense, the literal fruit of someone's labor. Now, minchah means gift or tribute, like a servant bringing something to a king. It represented what the worshiper worked for, what they planted, harvested, ground by hand, and brought to God. And watch this, not out of guilt, but devotion. This teaches that your labor matters to God, not just what we do at church, but what we do throughout the rest of the week. And so when you work with integrity and then you offer it in faith, it becomes worship. 1 Corinthians 15:58 tells us your labor is not in vain in the Lord, especially when it's done in love and surrender to God. When it's done that way, it becomes holy. So today, take one task, big or small, and say, Lord, this is for you. That's a grain offering. That's worship. Now, next time we learn how God made sure no one was left out. You see, all are welcome at God's table.